sounds impossible. A skinny guy gets in shape and becomes a hulking, muscle-bound Hercules. But it's actually not that difficult. If you're up to the challenge, here are some tips on how to make the transformation from skinny to Hercules in 3 months. 1. HIIT. What is it? A workout protocol that alternates between high-intensity intervals, 90% of max heart rate, and lower-intensity intervals, 50% of max heart rate. It's a much more efficient workout that is proven to burn more fat. You should also try it. 2. Get a membership to a gym. This could be pricey, but I think it is worth it. If you're not sure what you should look for when signing up for a gym membership, check out my post on the subject. It will direct you to a page where I talk about the different things the average person should look for in a gym membership. Stay with us to know more on how to bulk fast. But before that, hit the subscribe button if you like this video to never miss our new plan to help you boost your metabolism. 3. Don't eat fast food anymore. A staple of skinny guys' diets is fast food and processed foods. That has to change. This could be a big adjustment for you, so start slowly. Try to cut down on fast food by cutting out the junk food and start reading labels. Buy more healthy foods, like fruits and vegetables that are in season and less expensive than when normally found in grocery stores. 4. Get some higher quality protein. You need higher quality protein to build muscle. The only time you should be taking whey protein, cheaper than casein or soy protein, is after you've built most of your mass and filled out your frame. Casein is better for building strength and muscle, but it's harder to find and can be hard on the digestive system. Soy protein is a no-no as it's loaded with estrogen. Even if you do take whey, only supplement with the standard low-fat and high-calorie protein shakes. 5. Increase your calorie intake. You need to increase your calorie intake to gain muscle. Get some food in your system often, but hold back on the burgers and fries until after you've gained most of your mass, so as to not gain fat as well as muscle. Remember, you don't want to look like a bodybuilder or Hercules. You should look more like an action figure or comic book hero. 6. Eat more vegetables. Vegetables are essential to any diet, and you should eat more of them. They contain tons of vitamins and minerals. Example, eat your fruits and vegetables with the skin on. This adds fiber to your diet and helps it stay in your digestive system longer, which keeps you fuller longer. 7. Take a multivitamin supplement. I recommend Nature's Bounty. It's a great product that contains all the vitamins you need, plus it has some other healthy supplements thrown in for good measure. It'll be about $10 cheaper than getting the same amount in a supplement from a nutritionist, but only by a few cents per pill, not counting shipping. 8. Take an anti-estrogen supplement. Males naturally produce estrogen, but that should be of little concern when you take a supplement like Estroblock. Estroblock contains phytosterols, which reduce your body's ability to produce estrogen. This is important because females burn fat more easily than males. While you don't want to lose fat too quickly, you also don't want to burn it off as quickly as a female would. How to gain weight when you're skinny. Here I will show you my current routine. I had to make all these videos as a response to people getting mad at me saying they are not making gains, while I have gained 45 pounds in 2 months, even when they don't do all these things. Workout structure. Week 1, 2, and 3 are an example of my current routine. My workout is structured with plyometrics, dynamic stretching, circuit training, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, but this depends on your goals, of course. If you want to gain muscle, I use foam rolling for the whole body followed by deadlifts and back squats. If you want to lose fat, follow your diet plan and cardio plan as well. Week 4, 5, and 6 are a high-volume leg workout which burns muscle and fat since it's low intensity. Diet structure. What I explain in my diet structure is that I do my cardio first thing in the morning and lift right after or right during lunch. I eat 6 meals a day, of which I always take macronutrient supplements like creatine, glutamine, or whey protein. I also explain how to carb cycle, which is essential if your goal is to gain mass. Cardio, as I said, it depends on what you want to achieve. If you want to lose fat, do HIIT, for example, for 10 minutes a day on an empty stomach 1 time per week. If you are looking to gain muscle, it should be cardio 2-3 times per week with a short rest time between 2 exercises. Don't do it more than 3x. If you want to lose fat and gain muscle at the same time, I would suggest doing HIIT 4 times per week with a short rest time between each day. Grocery list. My grocery list is given here in the video, which will help you stay on track for 5 days, for example. I am not giving my exact macros because I think that's personal preference of yours, but I believe that most people can eat this much protein and fat intake daily while still losing weight. Weight gaining is not easy, but the topic is well explained here. Diet step by step. After this video, you can follow my diet step by step in a daily meal planner with pictures here. If you want to lose weight, here's the plan that worked well for me. Week 1, good carb day, lots of green vegetables, nuts and seeds, protein shakes, no dairy or white flour. Week 2, fish with rice, chicken breast with lots of veggies, spinach, peppers, fruit and yogurt. Some cheese after meat. No nuts or seeds. Week 3, lots of green vegetables, fish and chicken. Potato and rice at night, some fruits and yogurt after dinner too. No nuts or seeds or milk. Week 4, extra green vegetables, lots of fish and chicken. No fish with oil, no nuts, no seeds. Rice and potatoes at night, still fruit and yogurt after dinner too. Week 5, lots of green vegetables, fish with 2 carbs per day at lunchtime, rice or potato. Lots of chicken breast with veggies, spinach, peppers. No more yogurt and egg whites only in the morning with coffee. Nutritional supplements after lunchtime only, not before because it's a carbohydrate load. Week 6, fish with rice and potatoes at lunchtime, lots of chicken with green vegetables. No yogurt or egg whites only in the mornings now either. Summary, if your goal is to lose fat and gain muscle at the same time, my current routine will get you there. I think it's important to include HIIT in your routine to help you burn fat and also do weights. Resistance training increases your metabolism, which will help you lose fat while doing cardio as well. Just keep pushing yourself and eating right and you'll see results fast. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things about your muscles. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to let us know if this worked for you and how it affected your body. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism and lose more weight, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.